He'll never be alone, 'cause like a river runs dry and leaves its scars behind, I'll be by your side, 'cause my love is set in stone. I'm unbreakable. The fires burn, the wind has gone, the water's still finds home. In my heart of
Well done, Caiti. Anya, what do you think of Caiti's performance?
Second time lucky, eh? Kind of glad it happened because like this time I got to enjoy it and have to scribble anything down. But it was so pretty. I mean, I know that you were really struggling with the song choice. You had like a full-on list. I said, Joey, she brought me like a book. And when I saw that you chose this one, I knew it was like the perfect song choice for you. Because like this shows everything that you can do, and I think you can still do even more than that, because you literally made that look so easy. I mean, the feeling and the light and shade, it was also like such a constant. I mean, you never lost any of it, and I can see why this performance was kept for last, because you blew that out of the water. And Josie, so yeah, you kind of blew that up too. So well done for that. And I can see now the power that you've got, and you still have so much more in there, because I can just hear you doing even higher notes on your belt. It literally sounded like a recording. It was insane. You should be incredibly proud of that one. Well done.
Kelly, what do you like to say, Caiti?
You really like told the story with your vocal. There was so much sort of like emotion in it, and the way that you flipped into your falsetto, it was just so beautiful and so clean how you did that. And you've got such a stunning voice, and I don't think that your audition song did justice compared to this. I think you've come out and really sort of like shocked everybody tonight with that performance, and the confidence that you had and the maturity in how you performed everything. What a way to end like Anna's category night, and I really wouldn't want to be you tonight. I think she's got a really tough job ahead of her, and I'm really glad that you got to sing that twice, because I enjoyed listening to it both times. I thought you handled yourself so professionally. Well done.
Yeah, Caiti, before I go on about your performance, honestly, credit again when it's due, and like that just popped just now, and anybody your age would normally just probably run off stage screaming, crying. But the way you handled that was so mature, and it really, I mean, in one way, I'm glad it happened, because it showed me how much pressure you can handle being on stage, even though you're new to this. And that made me feel like, oh my God, this girl can really do it. Anyway, back to your performance, right? Other than that, wow. That's all I can say, and I do believe that everyone tonight have really got to see a transformation from the audition to this. It's like two different people. It's like two completely different people. This is exactly where you need to be, and Anya did pick up that she can hear more. There is so much more. From what I heard in rehearsal, there is a lot more behind what you can do. But this was definitely a step up like that today. So you should be really, really impressed. And once again, happy birthday. Thanks for blowing my sister. Round of applause for Caiti.